item number 1 for today. So for our item number 1, we have here deep powder jars, and it's the one right in front of me. So we have here different types of deep powder jars right over here. Okay, so let me just pin the product link. Yeah, so let me just pin the product link at the bottom part of your mobile screen so that you may see it easily. Okay, so we have here, there. So you can see here deep powder jars just below the comment section. We do have different types of deep powder jars, as you can see. It depends on what kind of style you want for these deep powder jars. Compared to other similar products, our jars has a thick wall and it also has high grade quality, making your products luxurious. Now, let me give you a closer look. Okay, so here you go. All right, so here's how it looks. So you can you may choose the type of cover that you want. So there, this one is golden. Yes, but again, compared to other similar products, our jar has thick wall and high grade quality, giving your product that luxurious look there. So these are the different styles that we do have. Okay. And then we also have here rose gold. So they do come in different sizes, as you can see right here. So that's how nice it is. All right, so this is for our item number 1. So we have this deep powder jars, as you can see right over here. So as for these deep powder jars, there's multicolor available. So it has multicolor electroplated cap. We have small MOQ for this one, and this is available for stock. We have available for stock colors such as silver. This one, we have it in silver, rose gold, golden, and others there. So as for this deep powder jar, it has straight-sided jar, which gives you that high clarity glass-like transparency. And custom printing or labeling brand decoration service is also available. So if you want to put your brand name here, we can definitely do that for you. All right, so there you go. So these products sell very well in the USA and European countries, especially for the nail industry. We've cooperated with many customers, whether big company or just small business sellers. Our service is of the same quality. As we are a factory, we can provide professional custom service, and you can put your own logo on the lid or on the jar. So you can put your own logo here on the top part or here on the jar itself. And again, we can customize the appearance for you.